Everybody, today we are doing the impossible. We are going to be comparing two different types of burgers today. One real and one fake. We're doing it today on the Big Green Egg. I'm gonna go do my hair, come back to you. We're gonna get this thing going. It's gonna be interesting to do this comparison with with fake meat and real meat, but we're going to try to do it nonetheless. Let's get started. We're going to start with buttering the one bun. So just so you guys are tracking, the right bun will be the real meat. Keep this separate from the other guy. We have a sprayer here of olive oil. So we'll spray that now. I think that's good and coated. Can't really tell. Dang flies. Okay, there we go. We're going to get these buns toasted and then do some grilling of a veggie patty and a burger patty. Sorry, a meat patty. The right bun on the right side, getting toasted. The olive oil on the left. Okay. And I will use different spatulas for the right side and left side. So don't worry, we're going to keep this separate and do a good comparison for these two different patties. See how we're coming? Oh, already good to go. Maybe a little hotter than I thought. Okay. Keep those on the left side. Oop, not going to do that. Use my other spatula. Good to go. Oof. Look at that toast on that. Great. I'm going to shut down the barbecue, not shut down, turn it down just a little bit. I think it might be a little too hot for this test. So we'll go and get that now. Get the burgers ready to go. I'm actually going to go ahead and now make the burger sandwich minus the meat so you can see how we're doing this. So while the barbecue gets to a more manageable temperature, I'm not going to fry these guys. Okay. So now we're going to put down on the bottom bun. Ooh. Bit of mustard. Here we have some homemade pickled onions, which are amazing. Okay. And topping with lettuce. There we go. So now we have a good, how shall we say, canvas to work on and to create a masterpiece on. Alright, I'm going to do my best here to keep these two separate. Oof, that was not very good. Okay, there we go. So that's some butter on the right. A little bit of cooking grease, and it's coconut oil on the left. I'm gonna not salt and pepper the bottom, I'll just do the top. There we go. I have a hunch the meat patty is gonna cook a lot longer than the Impossible patty. How do I know that? Because the Impossible isn't actually need to be cooked. I don't think. There we go. Looks good going down. It sizzles just like a burger. That doesn't mean it is. Salt and pepper. Close the lid. See how we're doing? Looking pretty good. No, not time for flipping yet, but we can see the crust. It's forming. Oh, good. Might as well flip this guy. No harm, no foul there. And for this one, we got a ways to go. Good crest formation on it, but I don't want to be serving undercooked, an undercooked patty. flipping time. There we go. I just wanted to see that one. The crust looks really good. Of course, that's lots of probably from the coconut oil, salt, and pepper too. But all right. Oh, look at that! Not sure we can tell this on the camera. It looks like meat juice popping out of there. Obviously not. But if I didn't know any better, I'm actually gonna pull this now. Put him on the bun. And let's pull it on the bun. Let's go do our taste test. After a thumbnail picture, of course. All right, now it's time to try. We have the Impossible Burger. I'm gonna give this a try. Interesting taste. So what do you think? So I have had the Impossible Burger before from Burger King, and it was very interesting. It was actually better than what I'm tasting right now. Scotch here to watch this. Sorry to Burger King. Sorry to Burger King, but sorry to myself. But that was actually better than burger. It's not a great burger. I have my celery juice to wash this down. Very interesting taste. It's not a bad taste. It's good enough. Taste-wise, not much difference between the two of them. What's interesting to note is the lack of a good. To be honest, it almost tastes like when you're
flavor on it.
At the
This was a
family
barbecue,
almost matches smash barbecues, and they're doing a huge line of patties. Kind of tastes like that, where it wasn't a lot of care taken into
like
that
it was
specific
done
patty that you're about to enjoy. Tastes like an average run-of-the-mill patty.
I think
if I didn't know
it
it
was
was
fake,
fake,
smash burger style,
I might not
just
know.
on the flat top itself.
Perhaps if you cooked it on the stainless steel grill grates, it would get a different flavor to it, which I might try next time if we're doing a taste test.
I hope I would.
Flies are here are killing me. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Keep barbecuing America. See if we can find a sous chef to see what she thinks. All right, kiddo, the flies are here are killing us, but we can try to give this a try. Here's the. Tell you what, I'm not gonna tell you which one it is. Take a bite.
Oh, which one?
Both. What?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. In her defense, normally she eats burgers with meat. And that's it. How was it?
Good.
Was it good?
I hardly tasted meat. Just everything else.
Well, that's a good thing because it was fake.
I knew it.
Good job.
I knew it by the color.
Yeah, you can tell by the color on the outside. Here's the real one if you want to try it. You don't have to if you don't want to. I know you don't like those fancy ingredients. Ooh.
Wait, I don't know. No.
Tell ya, summer has hit southern Louisiana. It is it's a little hotter down north than I'm used to out here. I'll get there. Don't you worry. Good?
Mhm.
Yeah. A lot better, huh?
Still hardly taste anything though.
So that's exactly
Only the mustard.
right. So that I said the exact same thing. This burger, it wasn't very good. I think, to be honest, it was the meat we got from the store. If we had done like our own burger patties themselves, we normally do, would have tasted a lot better. What do you think?
Well, I actually taste it now, but
Yeah.
it's only a little bit.
I completely agree. Do you want to have some celery juice? No. All right, everybody. Oh my goodness, these flies are killing us. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. We gotta go inside. This is just killing us out here. Keep barbecuing America. Cheers. You tired? Wake up. Let's go. Let's go inside. This is horrible.